Hello everyone, my name is Ikramullah and I am a student of Information and Communication Engineering at Daffodil International University. My student ID is 2415031. First of all, thank you for giving me the opportunity to introduce myself. I come from Jamalpur, Mymensingh, Bangladesh. I am currently pursuing my bachelor's degree and continuously working to improve my technical and professional skills. Regarding my academic background, completed my secondary school certificate with a GPA of 4.89 and higher secondary certificate examinations with a GPA of 5, which reflects my dedication, consistency and commitment to academic excellence. In my academic journey, I have learned programming languages such as C, C++, Java and Python. I am also interested in database management, machine learning, networking and software development. I enjoy learning new technologies and applying them in practical projects. I have completed several academic and personal projects that helped me develop problem solving, teamwork, and communication skills. Besides academics, I actively participate in online courses and self-learning activities to improve my knowledge and prepare myself for future career opportunities. I believe that continuous learning is the key to success in the technology field. My career goal is to become a skilled ICT professional and contribute to the development of innovative technological solutions that can help people and organizations. I want to use my knowledge and skills to create a positive impact in society. The One Student One Laptop program will greatly support my learning journey. A laptop will help me improve my programming skills, complete academic projects more efficiently, attend online learning programs, conduct research, and prepare myself for future professional challenges. I am hardworking, responsible, and eager to learn. I always try to improve myself and make the best use of every opportunity. Thank you for watching my video resume and considering my application. I sincerely appreciate your time and consideration. I wish everyone good health, success and prosperity. Have a nice day. Thank you for listening.